So now let us start with revision of unseen passage and their summary writing. How to write the summary writing. So we have to be seen here. First read the paragraph and afterwards we have make the summarization of that point. Read the extract and complete the activity given below. Leadership is very unique chemistry which happen when the best of everything together to create magic. Leadership is very unique chemistry, and that has to be everything has together to create. The inevitable millions-dollar questions that keep cropping up is, are leaders born with nature capability to lead, or do they are learned to do so? So millions of dollar questions are that leaders are born by nature with their capacity and lead to learn so, not by purchasing and make the leaders. And surprisingly answer is the both. Organizational capabilities and individual brilliance is something they are born with. So capacities and brilliance are needed to born with that particular person, but fine points such as a patience, humility, and appearance opinions different from one's own are also all fine points all requires in times. The true qualities of person emerge in the face of adversity. So it is with the leaders. Look at any person who has the rare ability to lead. The first thing you find is how cool and self-composed he is even in time of crisis. So it is very particular person has to be have to find the cool and self-composed and even the crisis of that. In the midst and chaos, he said the right earnest and setting something right, restoring normalcy, and soon they are back to normal. A leader has the visionary, that person became very visionary, and he must be able to draw the inspiration from the past and envision future brighter than the present, however difficult that might seem. If there is difficult situation, that person has to be inspired by the past and envision the bright futures for the presents. He has to be very clear about his vision, what he is serving, and the missions, what is must achieve. Another distinguished traits of the leaders is their organizational ability and ability to coordinate together individual efforts into the single ones. So that man has to be organize everything, distinguish the ability to coordinate the people, individual and single things, that must be has have in that particular person as a leadership. That person's their own things they have to be keep aside, and he always think for the others. A leader is the capability to bringing out the best in the people he lead, the cultivate a team spirit. The leader became the person he had cultivate for a capacity to bring the best in the people. He allowed the other to solve the problems rather than thinking a single handedly. He has communicated very well as the gain the confidence of others, so that they feel they are on to bright track of, and then they would be ready to lead down their lives. He has to be patient to listen the others grievance and the hence half and battle his own. A leader has a brightly efficient managers as well as the coordinators. So leader became very confident, and he has a track to ready down their lives and patience to listener the others, and the half battle he has to own if he has listened the patience of listening the others. The leader is the high efficient managers as well as coordinator. So that became the efficient and as well as high efficient manager and coordinator. He might have set the example before the rest. His individual work has to be done flawless. With the success of leaders is finally measured not only the team of how capable the appearance, how well they are able to perform as individual, but how successful they are leading their team to performs. So finally, he has the doing best for the others and how successfully leading to the particular in performing the platform, and they have to be successful individual he had for the his particular group. That is the way you can be as a good leadership, the quality you have. And there is summary writing on that particular unseen passage, quality of leader. So students, you have to be give the title for that your summary title असणं गरजेचं. Leadership means nature and acquire the capacity to lead the peoples. So leadership has the natural acquire the capacity to lead. That's important. People look at their leaders as idols. Leader also care for his people. A good leader possesses good qualities like patience, humility, cooperation, and visions, etc. A true leader proves himself the best in the difficulties. He remains cool and composed. He is the visionary and never forget the past as he learned many things from the past times. As a good leaders always inspire the others, bringing out the best in other by the cultivating a time spirit. He appreciates his colleagues, employees whenever they work perfectly. He also listens to their problems. Success of the good leaders is measured by leading his team performance. That is the particular have to write down the summary. So there are near about 6-7 lines they have write in from the big passage. So you have to be make the one third of that in very simple language you uses while converting that unseen passage as a summary. Now let us begin with note making and how to we have to change writing non-verbal to verbal, verbal to non-verbal, that we seen from that particular passages and complete that activity. So read the following extract and complete the chart that follows. Vitamins plays a very important role in maintaining the good and they build resistance power in the human body. These vitamins are namely by the scientists as vitamins A, B, C, D, and E. Vitamin A is found in tomato, eggs, vegetables, fruit, liver, milk. And vitamin A is very important for vision growth and protection. It helps in the skeletal and tissue growth. Many vitamins are grouped under the vitamin B is compound there. The vitamins grouped under these groups can be sought from the seeds, meal, soybean, with vegetable, milk, and egg. Vitamin B complex group is very essential in growth, metabolism, and formation of blood and nervous systems. Vitamin C is found in lemon, orange, amla, fresh vegetable. It is essential to develop the iron and calcium in human body. D is found egg, liver, fish, oil, butters, and vitamin D helps to grow the developments of bone and teeth. It plays an important role in absorptions and depositions of calcium and phosphorus. Efficiency of vitamin E doesn't occur the normally human body. Vitamin E is present in the vegetables, oil, grains, cereals, pulse, nuts, and oil seeds, dark green leafy vegetable. It is present in egg yolk, livers, and useful for normal reproductions. So now there is one chart, and that chart we have to be completed here. We have to write down here the vitamin A, B, C, D sources. Here tomato, eggs, liver, fish, butters is given. Benefit to health, developments of iron, helpful to normal production. The answers also mentioned here. A. Sources: tomato, eggs, yolk, vegetable, fruits, liver, milk. Beneficial: vision, growth of protection, scale and tissue growth. B. Seeds, meal, soybean, beans, vegetable, milk, egg, growth of metabolism, formations of blood and nervous system. C. Lemon, orange, amla, fresh vegetable, developments of iron and calcium. D. Egg, liver, fish oil, butters, growth of bones, teeth, absorptions and depositions of calcium and phosphorus. E. Vegetables, oil, grains, cereals, pulse, nuts, oil seeds and dark green leaf vegetables and helpful to normal reproductions. Now students, you will find here A. There are A, B, C, D, E here. A. Sources here mentioned. It is very important to only find out the particular vitamins and their sources, and all these things are mentioned here one by one. Now I started the blog writing. So how to write the blog, each and everything we have discussed in detail, we have just here for revision. Write a blog and proper format. Say no tobaccos with the help of following points, and write about 100 to 150 words. So said side effect of chewing tobacco, slogan, disease causes by tobacco, plants or awareness, addiction, people, health awareness programs. So in your examination, you just give the headline, say no tobacco, and write down as it is here. That's way. So all of us know that chewing tobacco is injurious to health. So everyone knows that the tobacco is very dangerous for injuries to our health. The disease mouth cancer is caused by the tobacco, and there is a big disease caused by tobacco chewing. A person who is chewing tobacco surely faces mouth cancer. Tobacco contains the harmful drugs, namely nicotine. So that addiction is very dangerous to the people, and they always they have the chewing in his mouth, and that became the faces the mouth cancers, and it's helpful. It is harmful, and that tobacco contains has nicotines. Health warnings such as tobacco kill, chewing tobacco leads to cancer, etc., are printed on the packed on tobacco's pouch of tobaccos. So there is chewing tobaccos leads the cancer that printed on the that particular pouch, but people cannot be seen that they can directly, they have to be continuously chewing the tobacco. Millions of the people die every year around the world by consuming some forms of tobaccos. So millions of people died because of they have chewing that tobacco. Tobacco is also used in cigarette. So there is an nicotine contents as in cigarettes also. Some smoking is also harmful for the health of the people. Smoking is one of the biggest causes to heart attack. And most of the people they have to smoking, and that is biggest attack on their heart attack also. It is increase the clot formations and block arises at trees. The people who are addicted in tobacco, not only they losing their health but also wealth also. So many of the people have mainly addicted on that particular addictions. At that time they have not only waste their health, but also they have to be lost their wealth. The number of the smokers and people who chew the tobacco is going to up to each years. The number of the people they have increased by chewing the tobaccos and cigar. Most of the shocking news is the teenagers to have the became the addiction of tobacco, but the 10 millions children under the age 15 are addicted to tobacco in India, says the report. The report says that the millions of the children they have under the age 15 they have the addictions of tobaccos in India. That is very dangerous for the students and peoples. They have the habit of that addictions. Chewing tobacco is an addiction that can be overcome. We can definitely take some measures to control the and abandon the consumption of tobacco. So tobacco addictions can be we overcomes and take some measures and abandon consumption of the tobaccos. Addiction peoples are encouraged by doctors and public health officer to give up the chewing tobacco. So medical officers and doctors, they have to be opposed to people and encourage them to you have not to be live up or abandon that particular habit. They should be aware both sides of tobacco, showing some information posters and pictures, but they have not to be uh, they are habitual on that. They have not some effect on that posters and all pictures. They simply eat that, chewing that tobaccos. The government should also implement say no tobaccos companion in all the parts of the country. So government has to be started that particular kind of the policy, but people cannot be implemented that. The government has already banned the smoking and chewing tobacco in public places, but this is not enough. The government has decided some kind of the harassment punishment to the people who consume the tobacco. So government has banned on chewing and smoking in the public places. Government also decided to give the punishment and ban on that particular harmful things. I think that is in the more moral responsibility to addicted people not to consume the chew tobacco or chew the tobacco. Can you pursue the addiction people to give up the tobacco? So the people can be have to be live up from that the harmful things that may be addictions of that persons. And can you pursue the addiction people to give up the tobacco? So dear students, you have to be the particularly write down that's way the blog writing that will be asked in your question paper. Now let's start with revision of appeal writing. Prepare an appeal of on the topic eye donations with the help of following points. In your examination, there are some points are given for that appeal. Donate your eyes and erection blindness. Give eyesight to the blind. Catchy slogan. Importance of eyes donation. Add your own point. So make that particular border. Eye donation is very sacred things. Remember. So there is an logo. Eye donations in that bigger font, capital letters, is bliss to the sightless. Blind is a curse. A new vision is give vision. New mission is give vision. Blindness check the potential hinders developments. Our live can live. Lives can live even after death. Act of charity. Eyes are the window of the world. Contact Vision Eye Bank, MG Road, Jalna. Your timely action can help the blind people. So the students, you have to be write down that way the appeal writing.